And today's barn find, we got this beautiful one owner 2000 Dodge Ram, 1 ton, single cab, dually in an SLT Laramie with a 6-speed manual and a 5.9 high output Cummins 24 valve. So the hardest combos of all: 1 ton, single cab, long bed, dually, 5.9 high output, 6-speed manual, SLT Laramie, loaded with 69,000 actual miles. Yes, you heard that correct. 69,000 actual miles. Clean title, CARFAX certified. No accidents, no damages ever. 100% rust free. The undercarriage of this truck looks like it just rolled off the assembly line, and I will show you. Such a great looker, and a 6-speed manual, not a work truck, but a loaded SLT Laramie, leather, power windows, door locks, tilt, cruise, power seat. It's got trailer brakes, running boards, front fog lights, full chrome package, tinted windows, rear slider, and a high output 5.9 4-wheel drive, cab lights. This truck has a spray-in bed liner and a bed that looks like it has never ever been used. Take a look at this thing. 25-year-old 1-ton dually, and this is what the bed looks like. Couple dings right here and a ding right there. Dry tight, 5th wheel, 25,000 pound hitch or 5th wheel plate, camper plug-in. Take a look at this tailgate. It's just unheard of. Take a look at the jams. Super clean. Very well taken care of. One owner truck that spent its life in California. Perfect bumpers. New set of FALKEN Wild Peak MTs all the way around, and 10-ply rating. There's the running boards. Let's take a look at the interior. Leather interior, and have not got the leather reconditioned yet. I have an appointment next week, and we're gonna have the leather reconditioned and dyed. So this right here will be taken care of. It's from getting in and out. There's no rips or anything. It's just the worn on the leather. Wood grain interior, power mirrors, heated mirrors, 6-speed manual. The headliner of this truck is like brand new. There's no rips, there's no tears, there's no sagging whatsoever. And believe it or not, this 2000 Ram has a perfect dash. There's not a crack, there's no broken pieces in it at all. Factory original stereo. This is the Laramie model stereo. I love the controls right here. Non-smoker, never been used. Manual 4-wheel drive actuator, 6-speed manual, trailer brakes. Let's get this thing started. And the odometer reads 70,225 as of today. Drove this thing for a few days. There's a lighter. Let's take a look at this thing. the lights on. Love the wood grain trim inside. Cruise control. Here's the power windows. Window up. Window down. There's the passenger side window. Down. Excellent condition. There's your rear slider. Let's take a look at the engine. Newer batteries, owners that put them in about a year ago. There's no corrosion. This truck has no blow-by whatsoever. This is a very well taken care of. Turn the lights on. Let me turn the fog lights on as well. This is a sharp looker. All your bed lights, your cap lights on top. I don't see any big dents at all. The license plate. Let's check out, oh, I didn't try out the mirrors. So there's a driver's mirror. Let me stop moving. Right, left, up, and down. Let's try the passenger side. Right, left, up, and down. Overhead console. There, and I brought my air conditioning tester. AC just got freshly charged. And it is blowing freezing cold. I guarantee you this is in the low 30s. If I can find the right spot to get the laser beam in. There we go. I keep moving my hand, but I think you get the it is very cold. Heated mirrors. We did that. Let's take a look at the undercarriage of this bad boy. Whether starting from the back, and this truck has never seen dirt or mud whatsoever. I'm gonna zoom in to show. Look at the factory printing of the numbers. Look at the lines. Let's get back out. Look at the leaf springs. Let's go here. You can get a better idea. There's the frame. Look at the numbers. It's never been driven off-road. This gentleman, he was the only one that's ever drove the truck. He actually passed, his daughter inherited it about a little under a year ago, and she brought the truck up from California, and we purchased it from her. He always had it in his garage. Never had an issue, always kept up the service on it. He only used it to pull his travel trailer a couple times a year. Owned it for 24 years. This truck is just insanely clean, insanely fun to drive. Show you under the doors, and that is just dirt, dust. Let me zoom out a little bit. I just realized that. Here's the passenger side. Love these seats. Feels like a couch. Let me bring the seat forward. There we go. It's your factory tool set. You got a couple storage bins right there. The carpet is like brand new. Whether you're a collector, I saw a few little scratches that have been touched up right here on top of the fender, which, you know, standing out here, you don't see them, but under the glare lights, you see them. So we had them touched up. 69 or 70,000 miles now. Here's the engine bay. We just did a full service, new sway bar links, fresh AC charge, and an oil change. Gone through all the bulbs, all the tracks, etc. to make sure everything's dialed. I believe the gentleman just had newer ball joints done on it a couple years ago before he passed, and barely drove it. I mean, look at the numbers on everything. This is just insane. You can put this in a museum, put it in your ranch, daily drive it, or weekend drive it. But trucks like this, they don't come around that often. This is the first Laramie manual 5.9 high output in a single cab dually that I've seen in well over 10 years. This truck is ready to roll. It's got the original books, 2 sets of keys, new tires, new fluids, cold AC, ready to go anywhere. I can finance this truck and qualify it for new car financing. So I can finance it just as if it was a model 2022. It can go up to 84 months. I can finance it for the true value, for the full price, depending on credit. I can also ship this truck anywhere in the country. I can ship it right from my showroom, right to your front door. Whether you live in Alaska, Hawaii, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Virginia, North Dakota, South Carolina, North Carolina, Chicago, Arizona, California, anywhere. I can ship it right from here, right to your front door. We deal with shippers on a daily basis. We have a preferred list of shippers that we vet out. We make sure they're insured, bonded, they know what they're doing. And we help make people's dreams come true. This is the perfect example for that guy or that girl, that whether your dad had one or your grandpa, or you just couldn't afford it when they came out, and now you can afford it and you want that just prime example. This is it. This is not for the beat up truck. This is for the person that's looking for the nicest, cleanest, well-preserved truck. That's what I got here. Reached out to me, jordanmotorsports.com. Got 95 detailed photos of this truck. Please don't comment on YouTube. We don't respond to YouTube. We only use it just to get the link to upload the video. Reach out directly to the website at jordanmotorsports.com for pricing and to contact us. Hopefully, we'll talk to you soon.